Hi everyone, I got Joy. I'm going to jump in today. We're going to be making homemade meatballs for subs tonight. I'm so guilty of the frozen meatballs, and we know it's like eating leather, but sometimes it's convenient. Sometimes things convenient are what we stick with. I have got a pound and a half of hamburger here. It's 88.12. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. These meatballs are so good, and they're soft when you eat them, and they're so good on a sub. Now I've cut up an egg in here. I've already cut up my peppers and onions. I just grate them all up together. All meatballs have peppers and onions, and I should put it in there, right? And this is breadcrumbs. About a cup of breadcrumbs, and put about 2 tablespoons of milk. I know that sounds a little bit odd, but you'll find out this is a good way to keep your meatballs soft and not get hard and no flavor to them. Okay, I think we got it all in there. Got my egg. Let's put about a fourth of a cup of ketchup. This is fourth. No, it's a third. We'll make it a fourth. It's such a dreary day here today. It just seems like a good day to cook. Sunny days I would be doing something else with it. Well, I guess it's about time to dive in. Still the best tool in the world. Now you can add anything you want to add. You can add crackers instead of the bread. You don't have to add onions if you don't want to. Always a good time to admit what you don't want. Wash my hands. Put water on me. Just put a little bit of parsley in. I hate to see my parsley leave. It's not so, I don't know, joyful about parsley. That's ridiculous, I know, but it does seem like just put parsley in something sort of brightens it up. Oh, gonna play with garlic in it. Not a whole lot of garlic, just a tad. I'm getting my hands dirty again. I'm going to make them sort of small because I think it works out better. They cook quicker. Don't have to worry about that. I've seen people make meatballs that are real big cut. No, we don't like those kind. But everybody has their own taste. Shouldn't complain. It's surprising how much hamburger's gone up. I usually get the 8812. Let's start a few. I've got them all hauled out, and we'll put them in the oven. Now you can cook them on top of the stove if you want to. But I think when you have, because I have 10 in the oven already, so if you're dealing with making a few or a lot, you probably just pick the way you'd rather do it. I put about a tablespoon of oil in the bottom of my hand, and I think it held 10. That's so big. So, we'll have plenty of meatballs for subs tonight, and hey, who knows? Might add pasta sauce later in the week and pick some spaghetti too. I've got the oven on 400. Well, it took about a half an hour, 15 minutes, and I checked them, then I turned them over, and then I put a meat thermometer in them because I want to make sure they're done. And I will have to say, mine are not perfectly round, but they're perfectly delicious. So I use these. I get these hot dog banks. They're slit on top, and you can put them in there. That's what makes them good. So try them. They're better than frozen, but sometimes we use frozen. We do what we have to do, don't we? But these really are good. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. Enjoy the meatballs on buns, and I'll see you soon.